worship embellishments in the key of F sharp. By the time we are going to go to the key of F, maybe C sharp, C, and maybe just to carry everybody along. So today we are going to be taking this song for our lesson. And see, the basic progression of the song is 4, 1, 6, 6, 5, and 4. That's like that. So there's a way you can play it instead of being static like this. You can add some few passings and embellishments to make your playing more beautiful. You can do things like stuff like that to enhance your playing to sound more beautiful. So the number one tip we are going to talk about is your melody line. You should learn how to form your chord based on your melody line. For instance, the melody line of this song is, you can start with, so your choice of chord should be based on the melody. For example, this is your fa. So the play, you can just you see. So remember, your melody should be the first notes of the chord you're playing. For example, this is your fa, your 4, another version of your fa. We have this, we have this, and we have this. Depending on the melody, you can just, like for this one, we need the fa to be the first note, so you can play something like fa, mi, re, do, fa. So get this part. Right. Just basic. This one has a ba ba 4 3. Then remember, we are still following the melody line. Sorry. You see? Instead of playing normal, I got those songs, you can embellish it like this. You see? This is your 6th chord. Your 6th chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 because, like this, if you want to count from the number system, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 7th. Remember, this is your major 7th. This is your dominant 7th. This is your 6th. So we are inverting the 6. We are taking the 6th notes to this part. So you get something like so. The 6. Take note of the key. La, do, mi, sol. So from the top. Then the other part is so instead of playing you can play that too, but I want to show you a cool way of resolving to your 4. It is called the 5-4 movement. 5-4. So it is something like this. Cluster voicing. Have you heard of cluster voicing? This is your 7th. It is from your 7th. The 7th, you take the 7th notes to this way, get something like this, and then on your 7th cluster, then you play your, on your left hand you play your 5. You get, and then resolve to your 4. just moved my, the T notes, the seventh notes to my sixth note, so La, and then the Sol will now move from Sol to Fa. You see? You get cluster sevenths. Sorry, this one, not this one, this one. This will be on Sol, your left hand will be on Sol, your right hand will be on the seventh cluster inversion. You get? So, okay, let's start from the top. Then go to your sixth. Then cluster. That is it. Then one thing about this cluster, you can play it to your Fa, or you can play it to your La. Like this, you can play, because this is actually a seventh. You normally play the seventh with your La chord, what do you call it? You play your seventh with your La chord most of the time. So in this case, you can also use that same cluster to play your seventh. So let's wrap everything up from the top. Just your seventh, you can play it with your sixth chord. So that's it for today. See you guys later.